Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I have found something that tastes as good as something you would buy at Starbucks, and it's a lot less calories and it's a whole lot cheaper. Take you some cold brew coffee, or you could brew your own. I like to do the cold brew because when you put the ice in it, the ice melts it and kind of waters it down. And then go get you, if you have not tried, if you don't know about these Premier Proteins drinks, you need to go get you some. Now this is the caramel. They have chocolate, they have cookies and cream, they have peach, they have strawberries and cream, they have vanilla, they have all different kinds. But what you can do is take you a couple ounces of coffee, and you can mix this however strong you want. You could mix half coffee and half this if you wanted to. I usually put about 2 ounces of this cold brew. It's a concentrate house blend. I usually use about 2 ounces of that, and then a whole one of these, and then put ice in it and fix it up. And y'all, it is as good or better than anything that you're gonna get at Starbucks and pay $5 for. But if you have not tried this, and if you're doing the Weight Watchers, which I am, if you're doing Weight Watchers, y'all, this whole drink is only 2 points, okay? And just so you'll know, this has only got 1 gram of sugar. It's got 30 grams of protein, and there's 5 carbs. So if you're doing the keto thing, there's only 5 carbs in there. But y'all, if you haven't tried this, you need to give it a go because it is absolutely delicious. And if it's not sweet enough, you can put a little stevia or something like that in it. Oh, and I've also done it with the vanilla and kind of made like a little French vanilla with the cold brew, and it was just as good. But now the caramel's my favorite. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and have a great day, and God bless.